Okay, so everything is dry now. It's a day later, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what happened with all of the stuff. The Mod Podge, it definitely has a great seal, it seems like, but of course you can see brush strokes. I bet if I would have waited longer, I could have actually used a bigger brush and really minimized those brush strokes. But I could also feel the texture still, and I could feel the glitter. So I feel like it would come off. You know what? I don't know. Yeah, I just feel like it would come off still too easily. This one is the Kumar Varnish. This one has the prettiest seal, it looks like. You can still feel the texture though. So what I'm gonna do is actually spill coffee on these and see how that holds up. This one is the Flex Seal. It did alter the look of the painting when I sprayed it on, but it does seem to have given it a pretty good cover. And then this one, I really hate that I ended up flipping this upside down, but this one was the Leak Seal, and I feel like this one's probably gonna be the best coverage. But what we're gonna do is spill some coffee on here and see if, when I wipe it off, if it is impacted by the coffee. So if it impacts the art that is sealed underneath. All right, I'll be right back. Let me go brew some coffee. Okay, I have some extremely fresh, nice and hot coffee. Oh my gosh, I spilled my coffee. Oh no, I am so clumsy. This so totally sucks. Anyways, okay, so running to the kitchen. Gotta get the paper towels. Oh, running back. All right, let's see how these held up. So let's start with the Mod Podge, because most of that seems to kind of have already washed away. Oh, it came off. Cool. All right. Let's Mod Podge. I don't know why I say Mod Podge. Anyways, let's go to the next one. This one was the Flex Seal. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't destroy the art. Even though I could feel the texture, it gives it a nice, good coating. Let's see, this one was the Leak Seal. Same thing. I could feel the texture, but it did not destroy the art. And last one, this one looks like it's obviously like the best. And that's the Kumar Varnish. But let's see. Wipe it. Wipe. Nothing. Wow. Okay. So I honestly thought one of these would have been a total fail. I don't know. Let me dry my hands so I can feel everything now. Okay. This one didn't really get all the coffee off. It looks like it kind of discolored. No, maybe not. Actually, that's the color of the tile. It's like an off-white. So, ooh, I don't know. It's sticky though. Okay, and this one's the Mod Podge. It is sticky, but it didn't alter the art. So maybe it's just gotta dry a little bit again, because maybe it like reactivated it. I don't know. Whatevs. This one is the Kumar Varnish. There's no stickiness to this whatsoever, like at all. That one really repelled really well. So Kumar Varnish. And this one is the Leak Seal. So it's not sticky, but it is rougher. Like I feel, you know what? Let me try to use my nail. I can kind of scrape it away. Look at that. Look at that. I might try this on all of them and see if I could do that, because obviously with resin you can't do that. So Leak Seal, I would say, is so far a fail, because it kind of stripped away its own protection once the coffee spilt on it. Let's see, this one was the Flex Seal. I don't feel anything. Did great. Let's try the nail thing. Yep, nail thing as well. You can still peel it away. So I mean, I guess if you're super careful with these two, and don't scratch them, they're probably fine. Let's go back to the Kumar Varnish. Yep, nail can scrape away that top layer too. But it doesn't scrape as much, like it only scrapes where it's scratched, whereas this can actually, like it kind of turns into rubber and peels away. Look at that. So this is definitely a no. This one looks like it's similar, but it does hold up better than this one. So this one's the worst, second worst. I don't know between these two, let's see. Oh wow, nope, this one's the worst. Look at that. That scratch is super easy. Oh wow. Yep, don't use Mod Podge. Mod Podge. Oh my god. This one's the worst. Second worst. Third worst. And best out of all of these craziness. So let's see. Mod Podge was the worst out of everything when it came to protecting after if you get scratches or anything like that. Obviously coffee might spill, but it looked like this one had the best repellent because the rest of these it kind of stayed, and that one it just grouped together in a puddle. So I don't know, I would say this one would probably be the best. So if you guys cannot afford resin, or you haven't been able to master resin, because I know that can be a total difficulty just in itself. Now the coffee's getting under it. But yeah, I would say this Kumar Varnish is the best alternative when it comes to what I've used them for. So this should hold up just fine, besides being scratched. Whereas resin, if it gets scratched, you can always resand and repolish. But obviously, if you can't handle, if you can't manage the resin itself, then it's not, you know, not smart. Ooh, and look at this. Mod Podge is starting to discolor now too. So definitely the worst. I would not use this as a sealer at all. If you're doing this for people, seal their stuff with the Kumar Varnish. I'll show you guys that one again. This is the best one. It was cheap. I got it at Walmart. I want to say for like $6 something. But I mean, it's a big bottle. It's gonna last a really long time. So out of all of these, I guess I'm gonna have to use this for like my tires or something. Leak seal, I don't know. I don't have any gutters. Ooh, concrete. Okay, so it's a concrete sealer. I do have concrete. And then Glitter Blast, just thought was cool. That was not a sealer. And Mod Podge, I'm gonna stick to using you just like glue on my geodes. So hopefully this tutorial was a little helpful for you guys. If you're trying to look into doing some projects without resin and for a cheaper alternative that'll last a little bit longer, you know, not as long as resin, but a little bit longer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know what you thought. If you guys have tried anything else that you've seen works, these are just things that I went to the store and thought might be good alternatives, so that's what I was trying out. And yeah, just let me know. I would love to know if you guys have more alternatives or if there's anything else that you guys would like me to try, because I couldn't think of any other things that would be a good alternative to resin. So hopefully I'm saving you guys some money and helping you out with your art projects. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys Friday.